welcome back. The boxers are bust. It's been a while. It's been, I don't know, a week or so, something like that. We're going to work on her some more because we got some goodies and some more goodies. I mean, I still haven't put any of these goodies on yet. For multiple reasons. Actually, this guy, no reason at all. This is the cylinder 4 cooling mod. So I'm still gonna slap on her on there. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna have to look that up. But we got a new AOS in because it was actually cheaper for me to buy a new one than get all the hoses, because everything was different. So I would have kept everything but the can itself. So I just bought a new one. Street series this time, not going to do the competition. So yeah, that's going to be this video. We're going to install that in her because I did not realize how much oil these things go through. And I haven't even checked the oil yet, so I'm going to have to check that and make sure that I'm good on oil. But let you guys give you an update on the build. So I just bought an FP red from a guy. It's external wastegate setup, 10 centimeter. So I'm pretty sure 10 centimeters is the stock turbo housing. So yeah, bought that turbo. So now I'm in search of I really want an FMIC, but I'm probably just go with the top mounted intercooler for now, since it's cheaper. And then now I have to get, I just realized today that I have to get a new up pipe and external wastegate for that setup and the dump and all that. And then I just realized today I ordered a new manifold, so the red STI manifold. It didn't come with throttle body. It didn't come with a throttle body. So I have to order a throttle body for that. Which I think it's like 120 bucks or something like that off eBay, so it's not that much. And then let's see what else I ordered. I'm ordering injectors. They're just the dynamic 1050Xs, also used. So I don't know. I'm cheap. Let's put it that way. I'm straight up cheap. Like if I can like get parts from a part out off another car from another guy, I'm doing it. Like, because it's going to be 5 times cheaper to get those parts from that person than buying them brand new. So got those injectors coming in. I ordered the knuckles for these guys, and so as soon as those knuckles come in from Tein, I will slap these spacers on, and then these guys. She's gonna look dope with those. Let's see what else. And then yeah, so obviously you got the intake. And then I still gotta look up compatibility for this Perrin 3-port boost controller. It should be compatible. I just gotta look up how to install it. And yeah, once I get the red intake manifold, we'll do all that. Oh yeah, and I found another guy that's selling like his entire build, which is all like brand new parts. I think his motor blew like right before he's going like big power. And so I'm buying a crap ton of stuff from him. Going to get like fuel rails, hella horns, and I think engine mounts from him. The fuel rails are red, so I'm just like, whatever. It's going to be a mix of red and neon green, because some parts they don't make in neon green. Yeah, I think that's it for the update for the build. Working up with the tuner, the original tuner for this car, from the guy I bought it from. Working with him, so as soon as I get all those parts, I'm probably just going to install them here and then just E-tune it, and then either drive it up or tow or trailer it up there for the dyno. I'd rather not trailer it. It might be best to trailer it though. Yeah, anyway guys, once we get that FP red and that whole setup going, I already talked to the tuner. He said I should easily make 400. So I think I'm going to cap it off at 400. Obviously, you know, when you're on the dyno and stuff, you push it to its max, and then you tune it back a little bit. So we'll see what its max is. Because I really only want to stay 400 because I know the transmission's already going, and it's stock block and it's stock heads that have like 140,000 miles on them. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, so that's going to be this video. I'm going to get the tripod set up, show you guys, well, not how to. I'll link the description up, or not description. I'll link the video up here for Smedia. He just recently, I think like a month ago, did the IAG AOS install for his hatch WRX. So I'll link that up there. Yeah, let's get his time lapse going. Guys, so gotta go to AutoZone. Those IAG clamps are just killing my hands. Like, I don't consider myself an old man, but it feels like I have arthritis in my bones because of those things. So I'm gonna go get a set of wide pliers. Sorry, set of wide pliers to grasp the entire, like those three clamps to fully press it down to get it over the hump to get this breather hose set up. So we'll see you later. we're back a day later. The AOS is installed in all its glory. We had a little hiccup. The EGR system for the WRX manifold was obviously deleted, which I'll put the images up there right now. So, because that was deleted, the inlet for the PCV, because of that, I had to leave valve that was different. That nozzle on the throttle body blocked off, normal, and then I had to route the new check valve on the AOS to 2008 WRX to where the check valve was plugged into on the throttle body from the block. If that makes sense. Like I said, I'll show pictures. So I had to ask the guy, I had to call that guy, or the guy I bought it from, ask him those questions and stuff. So, but got that all figured out. It's all installed. Tomorrow I'll be doing the, where is it? What's that brand called? The Get a Dom Tune cylinder 4 cooling mod, which I'll make a separate video for that because that should be a quick one. It's not that difficult. Like I said, I'm not going to do an install. I'm just going to time lapse me doing it. So it should be a quick video. I can knock out tomorrow. I cannot find this coolant leak to save my life. I'm pretty sure it's coming off the coolant cross. Oh my gosh, what's it called? The cross pipe thing that runs along the block from the radiator hose all the way across to the back right of the block. I'm pretty sure it's a hose running off of that's leaking. I just haven't been able to find it. So what I'm going to do right now is plug up my intercooler, not plug it up, connect it, and then turn it on. One, make sure the car actually turns on, since I messed with some of the coolant lines in the PCV system. So hopefully it turns on and works all properly. Then if that's good, I'll look down in there to see if I can see actively leaking. So I have an idea of where it might be. I just can't confirm it. So I'll look at where it might be, and then we'll see. We'll go from there. But yeah, I just want to wrap this up with the time lapse. So I'll just give you an update. I'm starting to order everything. So I got this Y pipe all ordered. I just ordered the injectors. Obviously the turbo's coming in tomorrow. I should be ordering the Grimspeed T-Mic or top mounted intercooler tomorrow, and I just realized I need a new one of that, unless I just totally delete it, which I probably will just delete it off completely, this thing, because it's going to restrict the airflow coming in, unless I can buy an STI one off eBay or something. Speaking of eBay, I realized I was missing the throttle bottle off of my intake, which still has not been shipped. I'm kind of peeved at the eBay guy, because I bought something from him before, but he's like, oh yeah, sorry, I totally forgot about it, are you still interested? I'm like, yeah, I paid for it, dude, like, ship it, bro. But yeah, so I realized I was missing the throttle body, so I ordered that. Like I said, I ordered the coil over knuckles, waiting on those. What else did I order? I think that's it. I still have to order a fuel pump, a aftermarket BPV if I want it. I'm still trying to decide. I need to order some oil. Sorry, there's something blinking. Oh, that's my garage door thing. Okay. Oil. Thinking about doing the 1 step colder, spark plugs. And then turbo heat shield. And inlet. So I was going to buy this inlet from this guy off Facebook. It's a Tomei inlet. I think it's pretty sure it's 84 millimeters, which is the turbo I'm getting. My FP Red has the Force Performance Advanced Port 84 millimeter inlet. So I was trying to get that from him, but then he's like, I thought I said no shipping. So I'm just like, you did not say in that description, so we'll see if he'll ship it to me. He's in Tennessee, so I'm like, that's just cross state, dude. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Once I get everything in, I'm doing a mass install. So I've already talked to the tuner. He says he charges $475 for the dyno tune. So I'm going to have to, it's definitely going to have to be spaced out. I'm going to have to find a 4-day somewhere here soon. Look in October for any holidays or something like that. To install everything all at the same time, because I just want to do like a single tune. Because obviously I'm going to do fuel stuff. I'm going to do, the intercooler, the intake, the boost controller, the turbo. Like, it's a brand new guts on this thing. Everything, pretty much everything. Fuel rails. Oh yeah, I still need to order those fuel rails and the hella horn stuff from that dude. So still got a couple of things to order. But yeah, let's get this thing installed and start her up. Give you some inside the car not look, but sounds and test drive. So let's get moving. Make sure I don't hit the minivan. It's really cool here in Alabama at night now, so window is going to be down, and that is sketch. There's a brake light. Yeah, so future mod, definitely in the books. This AOS. I can't wait till I'm hitting 400 plus on this thing. Which, whoa. There we go. Wow, it's really dark there for you guys. Wow, yeah, that's really dark. Anyway, which I told my tuner I want to stay at 400. Like if it maxes out at like 415 or something like that, I'll see if he can tune it back to 400. Because I want to save 500 for the future. Like, see if I can do this. There we go. For the future. So, like, I'm going to need a whole new block if I'm going to do 500. So, cap it out 400 for a while, for a long while, because I'm expecting 400 to going in the second grinds a lot. We'll see if it'll do with this. Like you gotta get like just the right clutch point. But I mean, she seems fine now. I don't feel any boost leak or anything. Actually, let's go this way. I'm gonna turn this off, guys. Sorry. Do a couple pulls. Make sure everything's Gucci. Oh, that just scared me. I saw some shadows moving in front of the cars, so I thought it was a person. Gosh, man, I cannot see a thing. This car is so low. Everybody's headlights are just directly in my face. That's a thing I cannot wait for. Is those knuckles that come in so I can properly lower this car, because I don't know, I hate these springs so much. I hate them. I hate them. So my recommendation, if you guys are thinking about going lowering, like do the cheap option to lower your car and not do coilovers, don't do it. Like save up the money to get coilovers. I know they're like $1,000. So, and if you're spending like on new wheels and tires, that's like $2,000. So it's like $3,000 just for your car to look good. Like, I don't know, to me it's worth it. And like I said earlier in this video, I try not to buy new parts. If there's some parts that only have like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 miles on them, that's pretty much brand new to me. be, yeah, the coilovers, I consider exterior. As you lower the car. I get my ankle with the 25mm spacers on them. Gonna get new headlights in the future. Gonna get that Varus big wang on the back. I have a copy media there, big wang. Gonna get a new front bumper because mine's cracked, and I hate how it's all, the WRX is all curvy. So I'm gonna try to get an STI one. In the future, I want to get the Varus like body kit. And then sort of in the near future, get it repainted and or wrapped. I'll probably get it repainted since the paint is already so bad. So I'm just anticipating the wrap like not sticking as well, or like having trouble. And there's a couple dings in it too. So, and then I'm looking to paint it World Rally Blue, this Subaru color, because I want a Rally Blue car. So I want one. Rally Blue STI. And yeah, as soon as I turbo swap this and STI swap it pretty much, I'm sticking those STI badges on there. So, yep. That's back. Checked her out. Still can't find that stupid coolant leak to save my life. So we'll just keep searching. I know I'm not going to find it until I take the manifold off and swap it. So I may just be burning through coolant until I do the swap. Okay, yeah, I just keep filling it up. It's like every other day or every 3 days I have to fill her up with coolant. That's when she gets to the low portion. Anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to YouTube. Follow me on YouTube for more videos. See you guys next time.